Hello, everyone. Warm greetings to you all. Welcome back to DN Productions. I'm so happy you're here with me today. And so, we're about to unlock some powerful tips on how to automate donor reporting for NGOs step by step system. So, stick around because you won't want to miss what's coming next. And remember always to subscribe and hit the notification bell, like, share, comment your opinions. And now, before we move on, this is your presenter. So, welcome back again. As I've told you, we are going to talk about how to automate donor reporting for NGOs, a step by step system. So, before I would like to introduce you to donor reporting, whereby is a cornerstone of non-profit operations, crucial for maintaining trust and securing future funding. However, it is often consumes valuable time and resources that could be better spent on mission-driven work. And this tutorial is about to outline a structured step-by-step automation workflow using accessible digital tools to significantly reduce manual effort and boost reporting accuracy. So I'm going to explain to you why this automate data reporting. Like in the demanding world of nonprofits, every hour counts, and automating a donor report isn't just about saving time, it's about reallocating precious resources to what matters most, your mission. And manual reporting is prone to human error, can be inconsistent, and divert staff from direct program activities. So, automation addresses these challenges head on. The first is to save variable time, whereby it free up countless hours spent on repetitive data entry and report generation, allowing your team to focus on strategic initiatives and direct beneficiary support. And the second is to enhance accuracy, whereby minimize human errors in data transcription and calculation, ensuring that your reports are consistently precise and reliable, building greater donor confidence. And the next is to boost efficiency, whereby streamline your entire reporting process from data correction to final distribution, making your operation smoother and effective. So these 3 points are clearly explaining to us why automating donor reports is very crucial. So as we move on direct, we are going to see also the benefits from this system, like who benefits and how does he or she benefit. So this system is specifically designed with the unique needs and resource constraints of small organizations in mind. Like it's built for those who need powerful solutions without requiring extensive technical expertise or large budgets. As we move on, we are about to see the first is small nonprofit teams. Like it's ideal for organization with limited staff where efficiency gains have a magnified impact on overall productivity and mission delivery. And the second is all about the NGO staff, whereby it equips staff with practical tools to manage donor relations more effectively, freeing them from administrative burdens to engage more deeply with their communities. Then the next is program managers, whereby it empowers program managers to easily demonstrate impact and accountability to donors, securing vital funding for ongoing and future projects. So as we move on, we're going to look at these 3 pillars of automated reporting. And as you already know, our system, or if you don't know, our system is already built on 3 core components that work in synergy to transform your reporting process. And by focusing on these 3 areas, you can create a robust and efficient workflow that saves time and improves accuracy. So these three you're seeing on the screen, the one of them, the first pillar is reporting templates, like standardized formats for consistent output. And then the second is data correction, whereby you automate ingestion for reliable resources. And the third pillar, as the rest, is to monitor status and measure report delivery, which is progress tracking, sorry. And each pillar is crucial for building a sustainable and effective donor reporting. Neglecting any of them can lead to bottlenecks and inefficiencies in the long run. So we are about to talk about these three pillars in details. As we first by the first pillar is to create reporting templates. Like standardized templates are the foundation of efficient reporting. They really ensure consistency, clarity, and compliance with donor requirements, like dramatically simplifying the report generation process. And think of them as your blueprint for the circuit before your success. So as we continue the key template elements, the first one is executive summary. Like you need to highlight key achievements and overall impact. Then the next element is program activities, whereby it details specific actions undertaken. Then the third is financial overview, like transparently present fund utilization. Then the fourth will be impact metrics, whereby you quantify the difference made. And then lastly, we have the narrative sections, where you have to share the compelling stories and qualitative data. And the tools you need to use for this template creation, one of them is very famous. I mean, most of them are famous, but what we have on our list today is Google Docs or Microsoft Word for simple text-based reports, and Canva for visually appealing and branded reports. Remember, in the best AI tools, the first video I uploaded, also talked about Canva as the best AI tool to use for NGOs in this 2026. And then lastly, we have the CRM reporting tools, like many CRM offers built-in report builders. And if you really want to see more, you need to subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you can get to understand more and more. So start with a basic template and iterate. As you gain experience and receive feedback, you can refine your templates to better suit your needs and donor expectations. And so the second pillar is to automate data collection, whereby collecting data efficiently and accurately is perhaps the most critical step in automation. And manual data entry is significant time sink and the primary source of errors, as we all know. Like implementing automated data correction ensures your information result is up to date and ready for reporting. So the first thing you need to do is to integrate your CRM. Your customer relationship management system should be the central hub for all donor data, like tools like Salesforce for nonprofits, Blackboard Razors, Age, or Donor Perfect can track donations, donor interactions, and program participation. So the second point is to utilize from builders for program data, volunteer hours, or specific impact metrics. Use online form builders like Google Forms, Typeform, or JotForm, which we are already familiar with. So this can directly feed into spreadsheets or your CRM, eliminating manual input. And then the third will be automating financial syncs, where you connect your accounting software, e.g., QuickBooks, Xero, to your CRM or a central data repository. This ensures financial data is always aligned with donor contributions and program expenses. So the third pillar will be efficiently track progress, whereby monitoring your data and progress of your project is essential for accurate and timely reporting. Without effective tracking, even the best templates and data correction methods can really fall short. So here's how to keep everything on track. First of all, we're going to talk about the dashboards for at a glance insights, whereby Google Data Studio or Looker Studio, free and powerful for visualizing data from various sources. Then Microsoft Power BI, whereby it offers robust data modeling and visualization capabilities. And also customer relationship management dashboards, which really provide customizable dashboards to monitor um, key donor metrics and program outcomes, as you know. Yeah, so you need to set up dashboards that display critical KPIs such as total donations, number of beneficiaries reached, and project expenditure. Like visualizing this data makes it easy to spot trends and identify areas needing attention, and regularly review your dashboards and progress reports. This proactive approach allows you to address discrepancies before they become major issues, ensuring data integrity for your donor reports. So the tools for your automation journey, just to mention but a few, leveraging the right technology can make all the difference. And here are some highly recommended tools, many with free or non-profit specific pricing to help you build your automated reporting system. So the best of all, like the one I really like, is Salesforce for non-profits. Then the second is Zapier. Many really know it. It's becoming famous and familiar. To make formally intergromat. And the third is Google Sheets or Microsoft Excel. And then lastly, we have Airtable. So I'm going to talk about this in just a few short summary, whereby comprehensive CRM designed specifically for nonprofits, offering robust donor management, fundraising tools, and extensive reporting capabilities. And Zapier, it's an integration platform that automates workflow between different apps, use them to link your form builders to spreadsheet or your CRM to reporting tools. Then Google Sheets, essential for organizing and analyzing data, use formulas and pivotal tables to summarize data efficiently before generating reports. And then Airtable will be a flexible database spreadsheet hybrid that can serve as a powerful central hub for combining data from various sources and building custom reports. So the best practices for success is to tell you just simple is to implementing automation is a journey, not a destination. Like adopting these best practices will ensure a smoother transition and maximize the benefits of your new reporting system. So here are the best practices where you need to start small and then scale up. Don't try to automate everything at once. Like begin with one or two key reports, refine your process, and then gradually expand to other areas. Then train your team, like provide adequate training for your staff on new tools and workflows. User adoption is crucial for success of any automation initiative. Then regularly review and refine, where automation is an ongoing process. Periodically review your workflows, seek feedback, and make adjustments to improve efficiency and accuracy. Then prioritize data security, where we ensure all tools and processes comply with data protection regulations, and implement strong security measures to protect sensitive donor information. Then unlock more time for your mission, like by embracing automation for donor reporting, your nonprofit can save countless hours, improve data accuracy, and strengthen donor relationships. And this isn't just about streamlining tasks, it's about empowering your team to focus on the impactful work that truly matters. Start implementing these steps today and transform the way your organization reports to its invaluable supporters, whereby the future of efficient and effective nonprofit management is within reach: donor reporting, nonprofit automation, NGO tools, and impact reporting. So thank you once again. This was DN Productions. See you next time. Remember to share, subscribe, comment, and like.